Look at the floor. What do I see? It's time to tidy up. Come with me. 1, 2, let's go! The blocks are on the rug, the cars are on the chair, teddy bears and puzzles are everywhere. But we've got a mission, we've got a plan. Pick 'em up as fast as you can. Pick 'em up, into the box, they're a happy fan. Clean up to the toy box rock. Put the little soldiers and the building blocks. Find a home for everything left and right, making our room look shiny and bright. Shake it, clean up, it's a happy sight. Where does the dolly go? In the pink bed. Where does the fire truck go? Put it to the red. Everything has a place, everything is neat. Listen to the rhythm, listen to the beat. Clap your hands, we're making our space look oh so sweet. Is there anything left? Let's look around.